Hey guys, it's Drea. Today I have a really fun video for you. This is another collab between me and my friend Alex, who also has a channel here on YouTube. She is One Beauty Addict. We have done many collabs in the past, but we have kind of fallen into this rhythm of doing a two looks one palette together. We did it with the NARS Wanted palette, we did it with the Satan Center palette, and I have been singing the praises of this palette since it came out. This is the Sephora Pro Editorial palette, and she just picked it up in the most recent VIB sale. And as soon as I heard that, I was like, oh my god, I am so excited. We have to do a two looks one palette with this. But this is a little bit of a twist, and she had such a great idea, which is we are going to pick each other's looks. So she has sent me a picture of 4 colors that she wants to see me use, and I have to create a look with it, and I'm going to do the same for her. So I will link her video below. Definitely go check it out. You can see what colors I picked for her to use. I hope she didn't challenge me too much. I was like, don't go crazy, please. Just do something pretty, please. Why don't you? But I have some colors in mind for her that I think are beautiful and challenging slightly, just enough to take her a little bit out of the box, I hope, and I hope she did the same for me. I hope this turns out okay. So I have already done my base. I will list all the products down below as always, but I've done my foundation, concealer, eyebrows, and I am baking under the eyes because if you have this palette, you know, and if you are thinking about getting this palette, you should know that it has a lot of fallout. So I always like to either do my eyeshadow first or bake to catch any fallout. She sent me a DM on Instagram. We're gonna look at it and we're gonna see what colors they are. I'm super excited. All right, there's the picture. Why did you have to pick blue? You're doing me dirty. I'm gonna swatch these on my hand so we can see what they look like together. I will be honest, I almost never use the top row in this palette. Yeah, they're like kind of sparkly duochrome in their own way. This is kind of like a pink with the slightest purple shift. I don't know if that's coming across on camera, but what am I supposed to do with this? I actually really love the way these two pair together. I think those colors look really nice together. I'm just really thinking about how to use these other shades. These shades are super pigmented. I always just tap off my brush because there's always an excess of product. I'm going to put the orange definitely in the crease. I think that's the right way to go with this look. This is a Chikuhodo brush. I'm going to talk about it in my favorites, which I'm going to record right after this. But it is so friggin' good for blending out crease colors. Like, it's so effortless. I love this brush so much. It's called the Chikuhodo GSN 10. So obviously this is in my crease, but also quite a bit above my crease. I have a lot of space between my crease and the bottom of my eyebrow. Like, I think I have a normal amount of lid space, but I have so much real estate in here. So I always tend to bring my colors up a little higher. You could do the opposite if you have less space. See how nice that warm orangey shade is? It's just so beautiful. I am really torn. I kind of want to put that green all over the lid and then do the blue on the outer corner. But I kind of wanted to do a halo eye too, but I don't think a halo eye is going to look that good with these colors. Like, I just don't see these two really working as a halo effect. I really badly need some of these more kind of pinched brushes. The kind where, you know, it's like a MAC 217 shape. This is the Morphe version, but I use them every single day and they're always dirty. So I was just using my little color switch there to get the color off it that was on there. Okay, so we're just going to do some outer V action. I'm going to build this up after I put the lid color on. I just kind of want to get placement first. I hate blue. Alex, why? You know that. What are you doing to me? I hate using blue. Just because with green eyes, I just feel like it is not the nicest look. I think brown eyes look really nice with blue. And obviously blue eyes too. It works really, really well. Us genetic anomalies, we just can't do blue. I'm just going to be going back and forth blending this and maybe building up color again after I, you know, do the next color. I love the way those two colors look together though. Like, blue and orange look so good. They're opposite on the color wheel, so that makes sense. Okay, let's go into this green. I'm just going to take a nice MAC 239. It's a shader brush, and I'm going to just try to put this all over the lid. Yeah, it is pigmented enough that you don't really need to wet your brush, which is nice. Okay, you know what? This is actually a really pretty color. I've never used this color before. Oh, you know what? I want to do that video, and I probably will do it really soon. That video I saw Lisa do, which is my least used shades in my favorite palettes. I think that is a really good idea. This just made me think of that because this color I've never used, and look how friggin' beautiful that is. Like, okay, Alex, I see what you're doing. I see what your plan is. So I'm just going to add a bit more blue to make it extra vibrant and also to just let it blend a little bit better there. So I actually kind of like this in the weirdest way possible. I actually really do like it. So yay! Okay, I'm going to wipe away this baking. I think you can see there's a ton of fallout there. So what I'm going to do is just take my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour palette and just wipe away the bake with some powder. And that way I'm depositing, you know, a highlight under my eyes, but wiping away all of that. Just realized I forgot to use my Gimme Brow. But a lot of the time I'll put on my brow gel after I do powder and eyeshadow anyway, just so that nothing really sticks to it before it has a chance to dry. For the pink, I think I'll just do it as an inner corner highlight. I do not have the best brushes for inner corner highlights. I'm going to use this one, I think. This is the Morphe E18. I don't know. I never feel like I have the most intense inner corner highlights. Like, I don't know how people get them so intense a lot of the time. Can you even see? I think you can see it. It's not really coming off as too pink. I think it's actually working with these shades. I'm going to use these huge, voluminous foam ink lashes. These are actually just random ones from China that I bought off of eBay for super cheap. But I just wore them yesterday and they don't tend to last very long, so I want to use them again. But I do think a big voluminous lash is going to look really good with this look. Alright, so I put on the lashes. I put on a little eyeliner. This is the Buxom Hold the Line eyeliner. And I just haven't been able to find any black liners that will not transfer down into my waterline. So I don't know that I really wanted to put black in the lower waterline, but now I'm kind of forced to because it is going down right in there. So I'm going to do it. I'm also going to take a little bit of the black from the palette just to like blend that black from the waterline a little bit downward. And then I'm going to take some of that orange on a much smaller brush. Again, always tap off excess and then just put that underneath and blend that out even further as well. I love this orange. It is just so beautiful. It's great to use with almost any look in this palette because it's just such a nice warm look. This palette, well, I guess there's lots of blues in it, but there are a lot of warm shades in it. I'm going to bronze with my Becca, what's it called? Sunlit bronzer. That's it. In Bali Sands. I'm going to have to change this shirt, I think, because this shirt is like a mauve-y purple. It's not really working with this look. I'm going to go for the Too Faced Love Flush Blush in Love Hangover. This is kind of, yeah, it's kind of like a warm peachy shade, which I think is going to work best with this eye look. This might be too big of a brush, but this is my new Quo highlighting brush, and I want to use it. This is the Maybelline Chrome highlighter in Rose Gold. It's one of my favorites. Yeah, this is a little bit big for this, but I don't care. It's so soft. I'm kind of just, in a way, using it more as a blush topper right now, aren't I? So we also said that we would pick the color of the lipstick too. So not necessarily like the shade, but a color. So we're going to see what she said. Nude. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Alex. Nude. Okay. I'm not cheating. Finally, something easier. So I'm going to go with a little bit of a warmer nude, a deeper, darker nude in a way. This is Mantra from Bare Minerals. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, I have such dry lips right now, so I can't do like a liquid lipstick. I don't know what's going on. My lips are dying recently. Does this count as a nude? Now that I have it on, it looks a little deep. I don't care, I like it. Okay, we are done. We started out with these shades being very scared and trepidatious, but I think I really, really like the way it came out. And I also wanted to say, I think it is important sometimes to really get out of your comfort zone and challenge yourself and do some new stuff and have some fun and figure things out in a different way that you would never have thought of. So having somebody else pick shades for you is a really great way to do that. If you don't have somebody who can do that for you, then you can pick them out of a hat. You can do the random.org, you know, palette bingo style, and you know, you could like spin a brush on your palette until it lands on a shade. I did that once before, which is why I'm telling you that idea. Anyway, I am going to do a palette bingo soon. I actually just got the BH Cosmetics Festival palette, so pretty soon I'm going to be doing that, and hopefully we can come up with something really cool for that. But that is it for today. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. Definitely go check out Alex's video and see how I am challenging her, because I am going to make it slightly more challenging than I originally thought I was going to, because she gave me blue. That's why I'm gonna get back at her. But definitely go check out her channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. I hope you're speaking kindly to yourself. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.